guys, I'm Tyrune, Rune-Seer of the Anglo-Saxon Futhorc. I've got a pretty interesting rune here today. This one is called Peorth. 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 Well, it's interesting because the literal meaning of this rune is unclear. So it's thought that it could possibly mean Disa, womb, or chess piece, but the truth is we don't know. Now, for purposes of divination, we use it to signify mystery, fate, and hidden knowledge. I wonder why. But yeah, that's it. Peorth. There you go. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.